along with the HB cable design marble, I've been using extremely high performance power cable. This is the Kraken power cable from Stage 3. Stage 3 is a US, actually California based company that hand makes cables. Now, you can't see it in the video, but this is all hand molded, or the mold was handmade, and then a ceramic like material came out of the mold for the female and also for the male to hold the individual prongs of the AC. Now, these are made of jeweler grade silver. The cable itself, it was so thick, this Kraken power cable was so many internal runs that it wouldn't even fit into a standard size AC. So it has to be slimmed down. See how big it is here? A little bit smaller here. This is perhaps the most aggressive power cord I've ever had in my system. The Kraken. Did that have something to do with this? Because I did indeed test the Kraken against the HB cable design power cable. During one day of testing, I switched back and forth 3 times between the HB cable design and the Kraken. And on each occasion I could hear a little bit more pressure, a little bit more expansion of that sound field against the walls of my listening room. A little bit more image density, a little bit more speed and attack. Now that's taken in concert with the HB cable design marble. The Kraken from Stage 3 Concepts. I'm Peter Berninger, reporting for AB Showrooms.